Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Ray. Now I know you guys like, what the heck does he have in front of his face? Guys, I'm gonna tell you off the bat, I think this is the most important piece of aftermarket part you should be installing on your BMW R1300 GSA or GS. Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Ray. As I say again, guys, this is how to DIY boys toys. Listen, before my channel, you know I got a new toy right there. Aftermarket parts I'm adding, and I realize this part is the most important part you should be adding to your brand new GSA if you just picked one up. What is it? It's a radiator guard. Let me show you. Okay guys, let's just get right into it. Listen, here's a picture I took with and without the protection. Now this is my opinion. A radiator without protection measure are opened up to a host of problems. One, bent or damaged fins. Small rocks can bend the delicate fins on your radiator, affecting the airflow and cooling effectiveness of your radiator. All right. Also, large puncture due to debris hitting the radiator can lead to coolant leak and potential engine overheating. And that doesn't even include the large bill you're going to get from BMW mechanics just to replace the radiator. So in my opinion, guys, I'm telling you, please invest in this part. It saves you on some headaches. Use the affiliate links below, and you've been warned. All right, so let's just get into it, and I'm gonna show you how to install this inexpensive part. So as I explained to you guys, as you can see in those pictures I showed you with the guard and without the guard. Now you're driving down the highway, all you need is one bad incident, one rock coming off a truck, it may be, and just striking your radiator and causing damage. So installing that guard, in my opinion, is the most important aftermarket part you should be putting if it wasn't already installed at the dealership. All right, very inexpensive, something I highly recommend. I'm gonna show you how I'm getting it on. Very easy to do. Guys, check out the affiliate links. If you look for that particular part, it's in, check that link out in the description of this video. It does support this channel, and I greatly appreciate it if you use that link. So enough of me talking, let's just get into it. Let's go. All right, guys, as you can see, back in the driveway, putting some more parts to the BMW. Absolutely love this bike, and that's it. So let's get into it, guys. Before we start, let me show you the parts you're gonna need, or tools you're gonna need. Very easy to do this. The main parts or tools you're gonna need, just have a 10mm wrench for the screws they give you, and you're gonna need one of these hex bits for the screw. If you're looking to salvage the screw or don't want to damage it, this is what they use. This is the factory. It's just a pull out. So you're gonna need a pry bar or a panel remover. All right, just get behind it, pull it out to just squeeze it, and this will come right out undamaged if you want to reuse it. But I suggest you shouldn't use the screws that they give you to install it. And as you can see, I already did the other side. Fits very nicely. All right. So, and you just keep this to the side for later on. So that's the parts you're gonna need. To install this, you're gonna have to move a couple of screws. Now this here is just a push tab, all right? So all you need, the pry bar, this here, and all you do is just gonna get underneath it and push out this way, and this will come right out. Then you come with your pliers or needle nose in the back of it, pinch those two connectors that's back here. I don't know if you can see that right here. Pinch those together, and this whole thing will come out. Once you get that removed, if you see on the other side, we have two screws, one here and one up here. You can see it on this side here. One up here, hope you can see that, and one down here. Just remove those screws, and that's it. So let me get those three things done, and I'll come back to you and show you the next step. Okay guys, I just want to show you See, I got the little, all you gotta do is just lift up like that. And as you can see, oops, came right out. So it fell down someplace here. I'll retrieve it later, but that's the simplest way to take it out. Okay guys, I got the screws removed. Now what you have to do, all you have to do is just peel this back, all right? Like such. You see how that's coming back? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your screen, go behind this plastic piece. Let me see if I can do it one hand. Stand by, let me see if I can adjust this for you guys. All right, you see these two tabs? You see how it's facing this way toward me? That's how you're gonna approach it. You're gonna hold this here, peel this back, go underneath it, and kind of fish it toward you, all right, like that. What you're doing, you're trying to get these pieces to lay on top of the edge, and this part stays behind here, aligned up here, all right? And that's simple. Once you get it lined up, make sure the pieces right here are going into those little two slots, and that's it. So let me get that done. Once that's all adjusted, then you come with the screw they give you and just install it, and you're done. That's simple, very easy. I think it's a must to have this to avoid any type of rocks, nails, whatever it may be, hitting your radiator and damaging it. All right, especially if you're doing off-roading or some true adventure riding, touring, get this installed, all right? So let me just get mine installed and we'll pick up the video after I'm done. Okay, mine is installed. Just to give you a tip, all right, all you have to do is move this screw and the first screw that's on the bottom. You don't have to remove this top screw to get this installed. So only two screws, taking this one out, totally out, and just remove that one screw that was here that I'm gonna replace, and that's it to get it installed. And as you can see up top, it's installed. And all I have to do now is just add the two screws here, put this screw back, and we're done. Okay, the screws I'm about to install is what they give you. The screw is gonna go in the front. You have a washer, then self right there, and you're gonna need a hex bit. That's a number 4, all right? That's a number 4 for this screw. So let me get this installed and keep it moving. Okay, this is the final look. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a very inexpensive, easy to do project for the DIY. Please consider like, subscribe, and again, use the affiliate links below of this particular part, and it does support this channel, and I'll just see you in the next one. Keep riding, be safe. Later.